What's up, everyone? Welcome to your 2026 guide to making real passive income. Money that rolls in while you sleep, game, or chill. Forget old school side hustles. Today, I'm breaking down 5 cutting-edge, actionable strategies that actually work right now. We'll cover everything from AI investing to automated online stores, step by step, so anyone can start. Stick around for a bonus tip at the end that can multiply your earnings. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to financial freedom. First up, AI-managed index funds. This is where technology meets investing, and it's honestly a game changer for anyone who wants to grow their money without the stress or confusion of picking stocks. Imagine a robot investing for you 24/7, never sleeping, never missing a beat, and always looking for the smartest moves in the market. It's constantly analyzing markets, news, and trends in real time, way faster than any human could ever hope to keep up. All you do is connect your bank, set your amount, and the AI builds a diversified portfolio for you. No finance degree or Wall Street experience needed. I tested this myself, put in $1,000, left it alone, and watched as the AI automatically rebalanced and grew my money over time without me lifting a finger. The best part? Many platforms let you start with as little as $50, so you don't need a fortune to begin investing and building wealth. The tech is designed to minimize risk, maximize growth, and requires almost zero effort from you. It's like having a financial expert in your pocket. Set it up once, then watch your wealth build in the background while you do literally anything else. Work, relax, or even travel. It's the ultimate set it and forget it way to make your money work for you, turning passive investing into a reality for everyone. Next, let's talk about launching your own digital product, one of the most powerful ways to earn passive income online. Imagine creating something just once, like an ebook, an online course, or even a set of digital art prints, and then selling it to people all over the world, around the clock, even while you sleep. There's no inventory to manage, no shipping headaches, and no customer service nightmares. Platforms like Gumroad or Etsy handle payments, delivery, and even taxes for you. My friend, for example, made a set of photo filters in just one weekend, uploaded them online, and she's still getting sales notifications a year later without lifting a finger. You don't have to be a world-class expert. Just know a bit more than someone else about a topic. Package your skills into planners, recipes, templates, or any digital resource you're passionate about. Build it once and let it keep earning for you month after month, year after year. This is how you finally disconnect your time from your income and start making money while you live your life. Creators, listen up, license your content to AI platforms and get paid over and over. AI companies need human-made videos, music, photos, and more to train their models, and they pay for it. Upload your work to licensing platforms and earn royalties every time it's used. The more assets you have, the more those micropayments add up. Monetize your back catalog and get paid for work you've already done. Let's talk smart property rentals. With today's tech, you can automate almost everything. Bookings, check-ins, cleaning, and security. Guests get digital key codes, smart locks handle access, and cleaning is scheduled automatically. Smart thermostats and cameras save money and give peace of mind. Manage it all from your phone, anywhere in the world. You don't need a second house, rent a spare room, or your place while you travel. The upfront tech investment pays for itself fast. Turn a traditional side hustle into a truly passive income stream. Imagine a world where your entire online store is powered by artificial intelligence. Welcome to the era of AI-powered dropshipping stores. The AI does it all. It researches trending products, writes compelling descriptions, creates eye-catching ads, and manages every aspect of your e-commerce business, all in real time. All you have to do is pick a niche that excites you, and the AI takes over, sourcing products, launching marketing campaigns, and even running targeted ads across social media platforms. When a customer places an order, it's sent directly to suppliers who handle shipping and delivery, so you never have to worry about inventory or logistics. Your main role is to oversee the AI's performance, check your profits, and brainstorm new ideas to keep your business growing and evolving. Setting up your store takes just a few days, and once it's done, the entire process becomes hands-off and fully automated. You can literally build a business that runs itself, generating passive income and making sales, even while you sleep. This is the future of e-commerce. AI-driven, automated, and accessible to anyone. The best part? You can start building your own store right now. That's 5 next-level passive income strategies for 2026. Pick one and start tonight. Action is the only thing between you and financial freedom. Drop your favorite idea in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe for more. Bonus tip: always reinvest a chunk of your passive income, 20%, 30%, even 50%, to grow your streams even faster. That's how you turn a trickle into a river of wealth. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.